Hello friends, welcome to my channel Focus on Science. Today's topic is force and effects of force. What is force? Pushes and pulls that act on objects are called forces. The harder you push or pull, the greater is the magnitude or strength of the force. The direction in which the push or a pull is applied is the direction of the force. What is net force? The total of all the forces applied to an object is called the net force acting on that object. When forces are applied to an object in the same direction, the net force acts in the same direction as the individual forces. But when two forces are applied to an object in opposite directions, they oppose each other. Then, the net force on the object is the difference between the forces. It acts in the direction of the larger force. If the two opposing forces are equal, the net force is zero. Unit of force. Commonly used unit to measure force is kgf, that is kilogram force. We can define it as the minimum force required to lift an object of mass 1 kg vertically upwards. The standard unit of force in SI system is Newton. 1 kgf is approximately equal to 10 Newton. Effects of force. Force can change the speed of a moving object. If you give the cycle a push in the direction in which it is moving, it will move faster. But if you pull the cycle in the direction opposite to the motion of the cycle, it will slow down. Force can stop a moving object. A cricket ball is stopped by a player by applying a force in the direction opposite to the direction of motion of the ball. Force can change the state of motion. A bicycle is at rest, but when you paddle the bicycle, you exert force on its paddles and thus it starts moving. When a bullock pulls a cart, it exerts force on it and the cart starts moving. Force can change the direction of a moving object. If you apply force on a football by using your foot, the direction of motion of the football changes. When a badminton player hits the shuttlecock with the racket, the shuttlecock changes its direction. Force can change the shape and the size of the object. When a blacksmith hammers a red-hot piece of iron, it changes its shape. When chapatis are being rolled, the shape and size of the dough changes. So, we can conclude that a force can have the following effects. Force can change the state of rest of a stationary object. Force can slow down or stop a moving object. Force can make a moving object go faster. Force can change the direction of a moving object. And force can change the shape or size of an object. So, force can be defined as an external agency that changes or tends to change the state of rest or motion of a body. Force can change the shape of an object or the direction of motion of a moving body. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.